In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable cookies on Google Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You will see the three dots icon there. Click the three dots icon to open the drop-down menu. From that menu, select Settings. When the Settings page opens, look to the left sidebar. In that sidebar, click Privacy and Security. After that, find and click Third-Party Cookies. If cookies are disabled or restricted too heavily, some websites may not load correctly, and certain features like embedded content or sign-ins may not work as expected. On the Third-Party Cookies page, choose Allow Third-Party Cookies. Selecting this option enables third-party cookies in Google Chrome. Once you click it, the setting is applied right away, so there is usually no need to save anything manually. If a website was already open while this setting was turned off, it may help to refresh the page or reopen the site so the change can take effect properly. That covers everything you need to know.